Wish we go.
Okay, kids, we're gonna do some things here. Safety first. We put on our seatbelt. Click it, or you will get a ticket. We're gonna hear some. You can go right. We're gonna hear some car audio subwoofers today. The subwoofer picks up the low end frequencies of music that humans listen to. Go right. Pure pressure concepts for the win. These are my Sundown Audio Z version 2 subwoofers. Boop pow bam bam.
They're out of phase.
Did you layer them up wrong? You did.
Yep.
Damn kids!
Yeah, they're definitely wired wrong.
Well, when one woofer goes this way and the other one goes this way, is that bad? I don't think so.
Kick two. Coming up.
Bam on it.